Welcome to AIVeda. Today, we dive into a creative battle between two leading AI image generators, Midjourney and DALL. But which one truly reigns supreme? I'm Saurabh, and in this video, we'll compare everything from style and speed to pricing and use cases. Let's find your perfect AI artist. Midjourney is a Discord-based AI tool known for transforming simple text prompts into breathtaking, often surreal, images. It's famous for its painterly, cinematic style and its ability to deliver stunning, hyper-detailed visuals. If you crave artistic flair, Midjourney might just be your dream tool. DALL, developed by OpenAI, the same creators of ChatGPT, specializes in generating clean, realistic images from text. It's built for versatility and integrates easily with platforms like ChatGPT and Microsoft tools. DALL's strength lies in producing practical, clear visuals with a straightforward, user-friendly approach. Both Midjourney and DALL work by interpreting your text prompts and creating original artwork. You type what you imagine, and they generate images to match. Yet, their output, style, and workflow differ widely, making each suited to different creative needs. When it comes to sheer artistic quality, Midjourney often steals the spotlight. Its images boast dramatic lighting, painterly textures, and a cinematic feel that makes every creation pop with depth and emotion. It's perfect for those seeking artwork that feels alive and imaginative. DALL takes a cleaner, simpler approach, delivering realistic and literal images. While it may lack the dramatic flair of Midjourney, its strength is in producing polished, straightforward visuals that work well for practical uses like product mockups and blog illustrations. Imagine the prompt, a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars. Midjourney crafts an epic, stylized scene with a Blade Runner vibe, moody, complex, and vivid. DALL produces a more grounded, realistic cityscape with clear details, ideal for clear storytelling and practical uses. For beginners, DALL is the easiest entry point. You can generate images simply by typing prompts in ChatGPT or Bing, making it quick and accessible. The user interface is straightforward and requires zero technical setup, perfect for casual creators. Midjourney runs through Discord, which can be daunting at first for newcomers. However, once you get the hang of it, it offers powerful commands and options for customization, giving artists and power users more creative control over their output. DALL usually generates images faster, often under 10 seconds. Midjourney takes a bit longer but compensates by delivering multiple high-resolution variations in one go. Midjourney's advanced features like style tuning, upscaling, and remixing also offer unmatched creative flexibility. DALL shines with its in-painting feature, allowing you to edit parts of an existing image, remove objects, add new elements, or tweak details seamlessly. This makes it incredibly useful for refining images without starting from scratch. Midjourney offers deep customization tools. You can upscale images for better detail, pan and zoom to explore compositions, and remix prompts to experiment with different styles. This makes it a playground for artists who love to push boundaries. Midjourney requires a paid subscription starting at around $10 per month, reflecting its premium positioning. DALL, on the other hand, is free within ChatGPT Plus and offers limited free use on Bing. This makes DALL more accessible for casual or budget-conscious users. Use DALL for fast, clean blog visuals, thumbnails, and edits. It's great for practical, polished output. Choose Midjourney for artistic, surreal images, concept art, and standout thumbnails. Ideal for storytelling and bold visuals. Use both for best results. Final verdict: DALL is best for fast, clean, editable images. Midjourney rules for dramatic, artistic visuals. Both shine in their own way, use them together. Thanks for watching AIVeda. Team DALL or Midjourney? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more AI deep dives.